In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mention or tag someone in your Gmail messages, a simple yet powerful feature that can enhance your email communication. Whether you're collaborating on projects, sharing important updates, or just trying to direct someone's attention to specific information, tagging can really help streamline your interactions. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is, of course, open Gmail in your preferred web browser. Navigate over to the top left corner of your screen where you'll find the Compose button. Click on it to open up a new email draft. Now that you have your new message open, you can begin typing your message in the body of the email. Before we discuss tagging, it's helpful to understand its purpose. Tagging someone in an email is a perfect way to alert them directly. It's particularly useful in emails involving multiple people or when the message covers several topics and you want to ensure that your specific note or instruction doesn't get lost in the crowd. To tag someone in your email, focus your cursor in the body of the message where you'd like to include the mention. Once you've decided the perfect spot, simply type the @ symbol followed by the person's name you want to tag. You should see a drop down list appear, including contacts from your Gmail or Google account that match what you're typing. Select the appropriate contact from this list. When you do this, the tagged person's name typically becomes a link, often highlighted, indicating that they've been tagged in the message. By doing so, you automatically add this user to the recipient list if they weren't already included. This is especially handy because it reduces the chance of forgetting to include someone crucial in the email thread. A couple of notes while tagging. Make sure you have the correct spelling of the person's name as it appears in your contacts, otherwise they might not show up in the list, defeating the purpose of tagging. This tagging feature is not only effective for grabbing someone's attention, but also for ensuring that they don't miss out on important content because when tagged, the email automatically flags this as a significant note for them. By now you have successfully composed an email with a tagged contact. Reviewing how tagging can elevate your email communications, you can appreciate how seamless it makes your interactions, ensuring precise and clear correspondence. Whether for professional or personal use, incorporate this strategy to maintain effective communication within your emails. Experiment with tagging in your Gmail, try it whenever you need to, particularly draw someone's attention to part of the content, and enjoy a more organized way of emailing your friends, colleagues, or partners. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful in enhancing your Gmail use.